Hi, my name is Joe Gold and I'm a real estate agent, but I'm also a super host on Airbnb. In this series, I'm going to be covering all the information you need to know if you're thinking of getting your own vacation rental here in San Diego. So you've been thinking of investing in a vacation rental in San Diego. Before you go ahead and sign that purchase agreement, here's some information that you need to know. There's different layers before you buy a property and put it up on Airbnb. There's layers at the state level, county, city, and then local or HOA. First and foremost, if you're thinking of buying anywhere in California, California does allow for ownership of vacation rentals or short-term rentals. However, you need to be sure to declare any income in your annual tax return. From there on, if you are thinking of San Diego County, you need to look at each county individually. San Diego County also does allow vacation rental ownership. However, you need to be registered with a business license before you can put your property on the market. Be sure to consult with your tax professional or attorney before proceeding. Once you have your business license and you understand how you're going to be running your Airbnb business, now you can go ahead and start looking for a property. Within San Diego County, each city has its own regulations regarding short-term rentals. Some cities allow it without restriction, some cities do not allow it, and some allow it but with certain regulations. You need to find out for the particular property you are interested in what the regulations are for that particular city. Lastly, once you've known that vacation rentals are permitted in your city and you've gone through the different processes or different steps to research that and get the correct permits, now you can go ahead and select the property that you're going to invest in. Now, each property might be located in a particular HOA, and some HOAs restrict the rental of short-term rentals by either a minimum number of days, be it 2, 7, or 30 days. Or some variant thereof. So you want to make sure that you understand if there's any HOA regulations that are going to prevent you from running your Airbnb business. If you have any questions regarding purchasing an investment property, be sure to give me a call. My contact information is in the comments below. I'm going to be posting a series of videos giving you more information about investing in vacation rentals, particularly here in San Diego County. I'm going to be your #1 resource when it comes to vacation rental investment. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified the next time I release a video.